Ready to save 75% off Bluehost web hosting plus get a free domain name? Then this Bluehost discount video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code that will get you the latest Bluehost discount, getting you web hosting for as low as $1.99 a month plus a free domain name. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Bluehost discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Bluehost plans page. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Cloud plan. You'll see the Bluehost hosting terms you can choose from are 12 and 36 months. You get the $199 pricing with the 12-month term. You'll save more long-term with the 36-month term. The Basic plan you'll get as low as $199 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 75% off. The Basic plan is a great plan if you're going to have just one site. This plan comes with one website and 10 gigabytes of SSD storage. The Choice Plus plan you'll get as low as $445 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 68% off. The Choice Plus plan allows 3 websites and comes with 40 gigabytes of SSD storage. The Choice Plus plan comes with free domain privacy, free automated backups for 1 year, and malware scanning. The Online Store plan you'll get as low as $895 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 53% off. The Online Store plan comes with 3 websites, 40 gigabytes of SSD storage, and everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like an exclusive store theme, store analytics, and extra e-commerce features for your online store like unlimited products, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift cards, wish list, and customer account creation. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Cloud plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost online store plan provides. The Cloud plan you'll get for as low as $29.99 a month. The Cloud plan comes with 50 websites, 225 gigabytes of SSD storage, up to 150 vCPU compute power, unrestricted bandwidth, global edge caching, high burst capacity, web application firewall, high frequency CPUs, DDoS mitigation, daily automated backups, and built-in partnership with the creators of WordPress. If you want the fastest site speed, the Cloud plan offers the best performance. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Create My Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information, select any Bluehost package extras you want, and complete your payment. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount so you can save money on your Bluehost hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.